I'm going to take my angled brush and I'm going to start by outlining my brow and filling them in. And the product I am using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color chocolate. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 220 in a flat brush, and I'm just going to carve out the bottom of my brow. And I'm just working to get the cleanest line possible. Now I'm taking my spoolie and I'm just working some product into the front of my brow to get a natural look. Now I'm just cleaning the front of my brow. Now I'm taking that same flat brush and now my Fenty Beauty foundation to clean up the top of my brow, and this is in the color 330. Now I'm taking that same brush and I'm just going to blend out all of that product. Then I'm going to take whatever is left and just blend out the front of the brow. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss anything.